Okay, let's use the abacus completely. 4 1 4 2 3 2 1. We have to add 3 4 2 3 1 4 4. Less the friend 1. We got a huge answer. 5 4 3 1 2. Let me do that again. Small friends. Why do we need small friends? Let's try to understand by going through all these examples, right? Let's try to add all these examples here. 3 plus 1. We place 3 on the abacus as usual. We have to add 1. We have enough beads at the lower end, so we can add 1 directly. We got the answer as 4. Let's do 12 plus 6. We place 12 on the abacus, 1 on the tens rod and 2 on the units rod. We have to add 6. We see that we have enough beads at the lower end and also at the upper end, so we can add 6 directly, right? So 5 plus 1 6, right? We got the answer as 18. Let's do the other sum. 25 plus 4. 25. Now we have to add 4, right? We have enough beads at the lower end, so we can add 4 directly. We got the answer as 29. 16 plus 3. We place 16 on the abacus. Now we have to add 3. We can add 3 directly. 19. 19. Let's add 5 plus 4. Simple, right? 9. Now let's try to do a different type of sum, that is 3 plus 4. As usual, let's place 3 on the abacus. Now we have to add 4, right? So we cannot add 4 directly here because we have only one bead at the lower end, but we have to add 4. Now we cannot add directly as we did in all these previous examples. From now onwards, I introduce a concept called friends. From now onwards, we'll use friends concept. We have 3 different types of friends. Small friends, big friends and also lazy friends. Whenever we cannot add numbers directly like we have seen in the previous examples, we make use of friends concept. In abacus, we have 3 types of friends: small friends, big friends and also lazy friends. For any calculation, if we do not have enough number of beads, we make use of friends concept, right? In this video, I am going to cover small friends concept. For every friends, like small friends, big friends or lazy friends, we have a boss and also we have all these friends, right? Let's understand what these friends are and how we make use of boss using these examples. Let's try to add 3 and 4. Let's place 3 on the abacus. We have to add 4 here. We see that we have only 1 at the lower end, but we have to add 4. Here we make use of small friends concept. In small friends, as I have told earlier, 5 is the boss, right? We have to add 4. The process here is we have to see who the friend of 4 is. Friend of 4 is 1. Now listen carefully. The process here is we have to add the boss 5 and less the friend 1. We are subtracting 1 because 1 is the friend of 4. We subtract 1 here. We got the answer as 7. It will be clear as I cover more examples. Let's try to add 4 and 3 now, right? We place 4 on the abacus. We have to add 3. We do not have enough beads here, but we have to add 3. As usual in the last example, let's see who the friend of 3 is. 3's friend is 2. Now we have to add the boss 5 and less the friend 2 because 3's friend is 2, right? We got the answer as 7. Let's do 4 plus 1 now. 4, we have to add 1. We do not have any beads here. We have to add 1. We see that One's friend is 4. Same, add the boss 5 less the friend 4. We got the answer as 5. Let's do 4 plus 2. We placed 4 here. We have to add 2. 2's friend is 3, right? Add the boss 5 and less the friend 3. We got the answer as 6. You might have understood what the process here is. For any addition, here is the basic statement which you have to tell your child. Add the boss, whoever the boss is. In this case, boss is 5. Add the boss 5 less the friend 2, for example, right? Because 2 is the friend of 3. Add the boss 5 less the friend. In this example, add the boss 5 less the friend 3, right? This is a generic case for any friends concept, be it small friends, big friends or lazy friends. We'll solve many bigger additions in small friends concept. We'll see that. Now let's see some examples. 23 plus 44. Let's place 23 on the abacus. We have to add 44. We'll have to add 44. We'll go each number by each number for all the examples, right? 44. We cannot add 4 directly here because we only have two beats. Let's see who the friend of 4 is. 4's friend is 1. As I told in the last video, the statement is add the friend 5 less the friend 1. Now 4, same, add the friend 5 less the friend 1. We got the answer as 67. Let's do 643 plus 214. 643, right? Now 214. We can add 2 directly here and 1. We have to add 1 here. We have to use small friends concept. Like now I won't be repeating that statement that we do not have enough beats, so we have to make use of small friends concept. That you can make it out as we have seen many examples, right? 1's friend is 4. Add the boss 5 less the friend 4. We have to add 4 now. We cannot add 4 directly because we only have 1 bit, but we have to add 4. 4's friend is 1. Add the friend 5 less the friend 1. We got the answer as 857. On to the next example. 666 plus 333. 666, we have to add 333. This is simple, right? Because we have enough beats, right? Got the answer as 999. It's fun, isn't it? Now let's explore the thousands rod also. We'll add a thousands number like 4000 something plus 3000 something. 4213, 4213 and 3442. We'll go one number by one number, right? As I told for the first sum, we have to add 3. 3's friend is 2. Add the boss 5 less the friend 2. 4. We cannot add 4 directly because we only have 2 beats, but we have to add 4. 4's friend is 1. Add the friend 5, add the boss 5, sorry, add the boss 5 less the friend 1. And again 4. Add the boss 5 less the friend 1. 2. We cannot add 2 directly here. We only have 1 bit. So make use of small friends concept. 2's friend is 3. Add the boss 5 less the friend 3. We got the answer as 7655. 7655. Now let's explore 10,000 rod also. 43,213 plus 32,143. 43,213 plus 32,143. As usual, let's go one number by one number. We have to add 3. Add the boss 5 and 3's friend is 2. Less the friend 2. 2. Add the boss 5. 2's friend is 3. Less the friend 3. We have to add 1 now. We can add 1 directly here because we have 2 bits, but we have to add only 1. So let's add it directly. 1, 4. We have to add 4 here, but we only have 3 bits. 4's friend is 1. Add the boss 5. Less the friend 1. 3. Add the boss 5. Less the friend 2. We got the answer as 75356. 75,356. 75,356. Let's get into lakhs. 3,42,132 plus 2,34,323. This was our 10,000s rod, so this will be our 1 lakh rod. 3, 4, 2, 1, 3, 2. We have to add 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3. Let's go one number by one number. 2. 2's friend is 3. Add the boss 5. Less the friend 3. 3. 3's friend is 2. Add the boss 5. Less the friend 2. 4. Add the boss 5. 4's friend is 1. Less the friend 1. 3. We can add 3 directly here because we have 3 bits at the lower end. Let's push 3. 2. Add the boss 5. 2's friend is 3. Less the friend 3. And 3 again. Add the boss 5. 3's friend is 2. Less the friend 2. We got the answer as 576,455. Let's write it. 576,455. 234 plus 464. 234 plus 464. As usual, let's go one number by one number. 4. 4's friend is 1. Add the boss 5. Less the friend 1. 6. Okay, here we can add 6 directly. 5, 1, 6 and 4. 4's friend is 1. Add the boss 5. Less the friend 1. 698. Okay, let's use the abacus completely. 4, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 1. 4, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 1. 4, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 1. We have to add 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 4. Right? One number by one number. 3. Add the boss 5. Less the friend 2. When I am doing this, you memorize the friends. I'll add this directly. When I'm adding one number and one number, you try to find who the friend of that number is, so that I'm making the calculations here directly. 4. Add the boss 5. Less the friend 1. 2. Add the boss 5. Less the friend 3. 3. Add the boss 5. Less the friend 2. 1. We can add 1 directly. 4. Add the boss 5. Less the friend 1. 4. Add the boss 5. Less the friend 1. We got a huge answer. 7, 5, 6, 5, 4, 6, 5. 4, 6, 5. So we have added 2 numbers. We'll add 5 numbers at once. Yeah. Let's look at these bigger examples now. 123, and 43. Let's go one number by one number. 4's friend is 1. Add the boss 5 less the friend 1. 3. 3's friend is 2. Add the boss 5 less the friend 2. 7, 3, 1, 1. Now we have to make a shift to thousands rod. 7, 3. We can add 3 directly here. 3, 1, 1. We can add 1, 1 directly. 1, 1. Now 5, 2, 3, 2, 1. Let's make a shift to 10,000s rod. 5, 2. We can place 2 directly on this rod. 3. 3's friend is 2. Add the boss 5 less the friend 2. 2. We can add 2 directly here and also 1 also. 5, 9, 7, 9, 8. Let's look at other example. Let's clear this first. 321, 4, 1, 4, 2. 4 we can place directly because this rod is empty. 1. We can place 1 also directly. 4. 4's friend is 1. Add the boss 5 less the friend 1. 2. We can add 2 directly. Next 24. We can add 20 directly and 4. 4's friend is 1. Add the boss 5 less the friend 1. 1. Simple 1. Right? We can add 1 directly here. And 4, 1, 1. 100s rod. Add the boss 5 less the friend 1. Because 4's friend is 1. Now 1, 1. We can add 1, 1 directly. We got the answer as 4899. Let's add this example. 1, 2, 3, 4. 33. 3's friend is 2. Right? Add the boss 5 less the friend 2. Again here add the boss 5 less the friend 2. 4, 4, 2, 0. Here we have to add 4 but we only have 3 bits. Let's make use of small friends concept. 4's friend is 1. Add the boss 5 less the friend 1. Now 4. Add the boss 5 less the friend 1. 2. We can add 2 directly and 0. Nothing. Right? 4, 3, 1, 2. 4, 3, 1, 2. Let me do that again. 4, 3, 1, 2. We got the answer as 9999. 99. In the next video, we'll see small friend subtraction. Thank you. I wanted to mention one thing. If you have any brothers, sisters or cousins or anyone you know who wants to learn abacus, please consider recommending my channel. Apart from that, if you have found any value from our channel and this video, please do like, share and subscribe. That will help us grow. Thank you. Thanks a lot.